Konnichiwa! Kenzo, do you know what we're gonna make today? What is it? We call it ramen. Ramen noodle. We're gonna make ramen noodle!
Yay!
There are many type of ramen. One is shoyu ramen and a tonkotsu. It's in America, tonkotsu is the most popular ramen flavor. And tantan, and this is spicy. And a miso. And a champon, it's a lot of vegetable. And this is another shoyu. Today, we're gonna make miso and shoyu. Go ahead and subscribe and push the notification button. So we're gonna put scallop. How do you?
Scallions.
Scallions, which is negi.
Scallop is a seafood.
Seafood. Kenzo, can you say negi?
Negi.
This is Chinese vegetable bok choy. I love it. We're gonna make boiled egg. This is a pork, the special pork called chashu for ramen. Baby bamboo. We call it menma. Let's begin. So we're gonna make boiled egg first. It takes like 10-15 minutes. And start chopping vegetables. Woo woo.
That's a chicken.
Push. Cut it. Oh, 上手. Oh, 上手. 上手. Push, push, push. 次ケンゾやろうじゃあ。はい、ケンゾ。やばい。いくで。Push. Cut it. Be careful, be careful. Let's do it together. Cut. 引くね。こう引くね。プを引く。Now bok choy. I don't think we cut it. Just like we use like this. I think never used before. Oh, should wash.
Yeah, should wash.
This is menma. It's bamboo. Just open it and drain. This is just topping. And this is chashu. So you can buy these ingredients at like Mitsuwa, Japan Village, H Mart, like Sunrise, like any Japanese supermarket, grocery stores. This is chashu, which is pork. I don't know if it's ready or not. The Google said put the egg in boiling water 7 minutes, which I did. Let's see if it's ready. It's nice to put the egg into cold water, easy to peel. Next, thaw and boil noodle in large pot of boiling unseasoned water for 1.5 minutes. And now, I'm gonna put ramen into hot. Watch. Untangle the noodles and evenly cook for 1.5 minutes. So I'm gonna make soup. The direction said 10 ounce to like 12 ounce of hot water. So we mix with boiled water. So noodle is ready. And let's cook the vegetable really quick. Scallion, you don't need to cook it. I'm gonna add boiled water to this. And I put the noodle. We put bok choy and chashu.
Ooh. You didn't peel the eggs.
Oh. Oh, yabe.
Or cut
No
them.
time. No time. It's hard. Cooking is not easy.
Okay.
It's not.
Quick, go.
Okay. Look, look, look. It's okay. Looks okay. And an egg in the middle. Hayaku. Oh! I don't think it's ready. Jeez. It's not ready.
7 minutes was not enough. Oh my god. No, totally.
ダメでした。It's okay. I'm not real chef. I'm beginner of chef and I'm getting better. But ramen, I thought it's easy, but it's not easy because so many things are happening at one time, and you have to boil water and making eggs and making noodles and vegetables, and you have to finish it at the same time. It's not easy.
Oh.
Soft bite. Ah! we call it hanjuku. It's like halfway cooked, which is supposed to be good in Japan. Here in America, people scared raw egg.
Okay, keep boiling. Round 3.
Cooking is not easy. Even boiled egg, it's not easy to make.
How do you fail that? You googled the wrong recipe? I don't know. How do you fail that?
Don't ask.
Oh.
Don't ask. Please comment.
Boiled egg round 3. Ding!
I bet it's ready. This is boiled egg. Yude tamago.
That means hot.
This one is miso. And noodle. And bok choy.
Bok choy.
Bok choy.
Does bok choy spark joy? Ha ha ha.
Wakarai.
That's a KonMari joke for all you KonMariing, cleaning out your houses, folks.
Chashu. And negi.
Scallions, not scallops. Oh, they could put scallops in here, sure.
Yeah, sure. And a corn, you can put corn. If you want, you can put cheese.
Wow. That looks good. Oh, yum! How is it, Mia?
Good.
So I'm gonna do a noodle challenge. Tangle in my mouth.
Knot it in your mouth?
Not it.
Ladies, he's taken. Comment below how long it takes you to knot the ramen.
Oh,
we did it!
Please comment below and don't forget to subscribe and put the notification button. What Japanese food we should make next? So I'm thinking we're gonna do calligraphy with kids and origami with the kids as well. Not only cooking show, but please stay tuned. ありがとうございました。